Hi, this is my BMW i3, and if you don't know what car this is electric vehicle, and you could get it in two options. One with range extender that was just a little dorky 650cc petrol engine from BMW scooters, and you can get it full electric. Well, mine is fully electric and BMW decided to put nothing in place of that engine. So because of that, I'm lacking a trunk space for my charging cables. So that's why I decided to build my own. So these are the guts of i3. Oh, what do we have here? A snack. Delicious. Also, oh, that's metal. Interesting. And the dinky little drive shaft is like this big. Right here you can see me scanning the engine bay, or I mean lack of the engine bay. So as you can see, I scanned the whole thing, and I'm gonna also measure distance between these two and all of the bolts, so I got some references and to see how accurate the 3D scan is. But now we can just finish and see. Damn, it looks good. It's a little messy, but we'll clean that up in software. So what I created is a little box that fits right inside, and then I cut this box into little 3D printable pieces. You can see them here, and I created a little holes in the joints that I'll just put 3D printing filament inside to guide me while I'll glue everything together. Well, the fitment is quite phenomenal. Look at all the extra space you get. Otherwise, this would be wasted. Let's do a check. So I feel no heat anywhere. I see no cracks anywhere, which is good.